Triathlon is my sport of choice. Waking up early, my day starts at 4 in the morning. And I am already on my bike by 5 in the morning, heading towards the beautiful city of Key Biscayne. As I enter that village, I'm seeing some of the most panoramic, scenic views surrounded by water, where I'm able to go in and escape into a village that has parks, great schools, and a great lifestyle for so many people to enjoy. Being a resident of South Florida for 45 years, I am able to enjoy this city with the most amazing places for my passion of exercise, health, and wellness. Running on the beach is my favorite, where I run on those beautiful sand paveways that take me through all of Bell Harbor, and I'm able to see the Ritz-Carlton, Four Seasons, and St. Regis all in my morning run. I finish by crossing into the beautiful island of Bay Harbor. Small little secluded island, surrounded by water, and have my morning coffee, my breakfast, where it's a laid-back luxury and casual living. Swimming is also a great area in South Florida with so much ocean, so many waters, all these beautiful colors that you have. I'm able to do my swimming in the great areas of Sunny Isles and also enjoy some of the most beautiful skyline where you're seeing the Regalia, Armani, Porsche, Turnberry, iconic buildings, residential luxury towers. And then I'm able to enjoy beautiful, beautiful real estate, which is my passion, my work. Real estate, just like triathlon, is in my heart. Being a part of the One Sotheby's family offers me the luxury to serve my clients to their very individual needs. I love South Florida. As you can see, it has so much to offer. I am so grateful and thankful to be living in this beautiful city that is able to offer for me anything that I would like in my passions.